Hello math students, quick little lesson on surface area today to help you get started with your questions. So surface area is determining the area of every surface of a solid shape. So if I have a triangular based pyramid and I'm asked to find the surface area, I need to find the area of each of the four faces of my solid shape. Okay, so the first thing we need to be able to do is to unfold our solid shape and determine the net so that we can have an idea of how many surfaces we are trying to find the area of so we don't miss any out. So with my cuboid here, my rectangular prism, I've unfolded it to make sure that I have accounted for all 6 of its sides. Okay, so we know that a rectangular prism or a cube has 6 sides. Now this one here, we know that because of the shape of a rectangular prism, we know that each of the sides, there are 2 of them. Okay, there's a front and a back, they're going to be the same size. A top and a bottom, they're going to be the same size and dimensions. And the 2 sides, they're going to be the same. Okay, so we need to work out our surface area, we are going to have 2 lots of the 4 by 5, so that would account for the bottom of the shape and the top of the shape. And we need 2 lots of 4 by 3, make that a plus. And we also need 2 lots of 3 by 5. Okay, so the 4 by 5 was the bottom and the top of the shape. The 4 by 3 was the front and the back of the shape, and the 3 by 5 are the 2 sides. Okay, and we see that we've got 2, 4, 6 faces, so we've accounted for every side. So we can do the maths on that now, and we know that surface area will be equal to 4 5s are 20, 20 times 2 is 40, plus 4 3s are 12, 12 times 2 is 24, plus 3 5s are 15 times 2 is 30. So we're going to add all of those together to have 94 centimetres squared, or whatever your units are. Okay, so find the net, make sure you've got all of the sides accounted for, and then you're going to find the area, add them together. A little bit more complex over here, we have a square-based pyramid, and when we open a square-based pyramid, we end up with 5 surfaces that we need to find the area of. Now we can see here that 1, 2, 3, 4, we need 4 of those triangles, triangular side areas, and then we'd need to find the area of one of the bases. Now this triangle here, we have a 6 on the bottom and a 5 on the side. So yes, we are going to need some Pythagoras to work out the height of this so that we can work out the area of that triangle. So if we turn this into a right angle, we are creating a triangle that has 3 because it's half of 6, 5 and an unknown side. So we're going to use our Pythagoras of x squared is going to be equal to 5 squared take 3 squared, which equals 25, take 9, which equals 16. So x is going to be equal to the square root of 16, which equals 4. Okay, now we've found the height of our triangle, we can find the area or the surface area of this shape. So our surface area is going to be 1 of the base, so we just do 6 times 6. And then we need to add on 4 of the triangular sides. So the area of a triangle is half base times height. So we're going to have 4 lots of half, 6 times 4, because we determined that this height is 4. So we could mark that in as a 4 there. So our surface area is the base plus 4 lots of the side, which equals 36 plus 6 4s are 24, half of that is 12, 12 4s are 48. And then we're going to have 84 here as our total. Okay, so surface area in a nutshell, determine how many sides you have, find the area of all of those sides, add them together. Thanks for watching.